Hello students, welcome back here. Today we will discuss about circulatory system. What is circulatory system? What are the parts of circulatory system and why it needs? We will discuss these things in this class. A circulatory system is also called as cardiovascular system. It is an organ system. Organ means it has organs that permits blood to circulate and transport nutrients. It permits means ये ब्लड को सर्कुलेट करने में हेल्प करता है and transport nutrients. What are the necessary things for our body? It is transport to the body parts through blood. It consists of the heart, a network of blood vessels and blood. These are the parts of a circulatory system. Now let's discuss about these things. The circulatory system is delivering oxygen and nutrients to your cells every time your heart beats. Isn't it amazing? It functions all time. It delivers oxygen whenever we are breathing. The oxygen is delivered to the different body parts through blood. And nutrients. What are the rest products or nutrients which we gain from digestion of the food? It is also circulate or transport to the other body parts through blood. So it is very important part of human body. What is the purpose of circulatory system? Have you ever want to know about that? Circulatory system transport important substance to all parts of your body through your blood. It moves oxygen and nutrients to cell and removes carbon dioxide and waste from the cells. So kids, now let's discuss about this amazing system which contains heart and blood vessels. Blood vessels means blood vessels are arteries and veins which are the important part of circulatory system. First of all, we will discuss about heart. The heart is the main organ in the circulatory system. It is a muscle. It means it is a muscular part that never gets tired as it continues to pump blood to every part of your body. It means it always work 24/7 in a day, 365 days in a year. Throughout our life, it always works, but it never gets tired. It also receives blood from the organs of body. It means it is not only supplying the body, it also gets that blood from the different body parts. Now let's discuss about blood vessels. Blood vessels contain veins, arteries and capillaries. We will discuss about later, but let's know about a little bit things about these blood vessels. First of all, veins. Veins, they return blood to heart from different body parts. Valves keep blood moving toward the heart. Contains blood low in oxygen. Arteries stand for A. A means away from the heart. Arteries take the blood away from the heart to different body parts. It is thick elastic walls. It is thick in compared to veins. And capillaries, they connects veins and arteries. As you can see in the picture, when heart pumps the blood, it is carried by arteries. Arteries take the blood to different parts of body. There a network of thin capillaries join up the arteries and veins. Then the impure blood through the veins again take back to heart for reoxygenator. Okay, now Let's discuss arteries. Arteries carry blood from the part out of all parts of the body. It means arteries blood को body के different parts तक लेकर जाती है. This blood is rich with oxygen, which gives it a bright red color. As you can see in the drawing, arteries are colored red. Arteries get really small until they branch into the smallest vessels called capillaries. It means जैसे जैसे arteries आगे बढ़ती जाती हैं वो बहुत छोटी हो जाती हैं and they branch, वो बिगड़ जाती है, branch हो जाती है, टूट जाती है into the smallest vessels, छोटी छोटी नलियों में, that called capillaries. Capillaries are the smallest type of blood vessels, one cell layer thick only. They don't thick like veins and arteries, they are only one cell layer thick. They allows water, nutrients and waste substances to pass through. Many capillaries unite to form veins. When artery divides into capillaries, they again reunite and form veins. Capillaries help in the exchange of gases, water and nutrients between the blood and the tissues. It means ये हेल्प करती है. जब ये छोटी छोटी हो जाती हैं, अलग अलग बिखर जाती हैं, they exchange gases, water and nutrients between the blood और जो स्मॉल टिश्यूज़ होते हैं बॉडी पार्ट्स के उनमें हेल्प करती हैं. As you can see in the picture, artery divided into capillaries and they again reunite and form vein. Veins carry blood back to the heart from all parts of the body. It means veins वापस लेके आती हैं उस blood को कहाँ से? All parts of the body to the heart. Heart तक फिर से लेके आती है. This blood is oxygen poor. इसमें ऑक्सीजन नहीं होती है because it carries CO2 from the respiration of different cells of the body and is full of carbon dioxide. This gives it a purple blue color. As you can see in the drawing, veins are colored blue. So this is human circulatory system or transportation, the oxygenated blood in upper body that goes through the arteries to different parts of body. Then again capillaries take this blood and bring again to heart. In between this time, lungs help them to oxygenate it. They carry CO2 and exhale it out from the body, and inhaled oxygen again mixed with blood, and through arteries it is divided into throughout the body. Most of the circulatory system shows arteries and veins in red and blue color. As you can see in the picture, it is divided or distributed in throughout the body from heart. Now let's talk about blood. Blood is red colored fluid that flows throughout the blood vessels from the heart to all the parts of the body and then back to the heart. It transports nutrients absorbed from food, oxygen, carbon dioxide and water inside the body. It means ब्लड के थ्रू क्या ट्रांसपोर्ट होता है? इट ट्रांसपोर्ट न्यूट्रिएंट्स एब्जॉर्ब फ्रॉम फूड. जो न्यूट्रिएंट्स फूड के डाइजेशन के थ्रू हमें मिले हैं उन न्यूट्रिएंट्स को ऑक्सीजन विच वी इनहेल थ्रू लंग्स, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड which we get from the cells respiration and water inside the body. It also transports the waste products produced in the body to the excretory system so that they can be removed from the body. It means blood अलग अलग cells के जो digestion और respiration के through वेस्ट मटेरियल बनता है उस सब को कलेक्ट करता है, कैरी करता है एंड इन्हें स्टोर कर कर एक्सक्रीटरी सिस्टम तक पहुंचाता है। उस एक्सक्रीटरी सिस्टम से वेस्ट मटेरियल रिमूव कर दिए जाते हैं बॉडी से। सो नाउ व्हाट आर द फंक्शंस ऑफ द ब्लड? कैन यू guess that things? Supplies oxygen to the tissues. It supplies nutrients. It removes the waste such as carbon dioxide and lactic acid. Lactic acid form through the digestion of cells. Detection of antibodies. Transport of hormones. Regulation of the body pH. Regulation of the core body temperature. Blood flow. In this picture we can see oxygen rich blood enters the heart from the lungs and goes out to the body, and oxygen poor blood enters the heart from the body and goes out to the lungs. So let's revise and summarize this thing once again. What is the circulatory system? Circulatory system is composed of three main parts: heart, blood vessels and blood. Blood vessels are of three types: arteries, veins and capillaries. It is a closed system. What is the function of circulatory system? To transport blood, nutrients, wastes and gases like oxygen and carbon dioxide. So kids, this is all about circulatory system. I hope it will be helpful for the understanding of this chapter. I will meet you in the next chapter once again. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.